Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. Kamusta kayo? In today's video, I will be teaching you how to use the Tagalog word nang. Today, we will discuss 3 uses of nang. Take note that the nang that we will talk about is the one that is spelled as N-A-N-G, the longer nang. One meaning of nang is in order to or so that. Halimbawa, mag-aral ka nang makapasa ka sa exam. You study so that you will be able to pass the exam. Tinigil niya ang paggamit ng aircon nang makatipid sa kuryente. He or she stopped the use of air conditioning in order to save electricity. Gumising ka ng maaga nang hindi ka mahuli sa klase. You wake up early so that you will not be late in class. Okay, so in this example, the nang that we are referring to is this one, okay? The one that means so that. Because this nang right here has a different function, which of course we will talk about later. Okay, one last example. Pumunta kami sa Bicol nang makita ang bulkang Mayon. We went to Bicol in order to see the Mayon volcano. Another meaning of nang is when, as in at the time that. Kind of like how you would use the Tagalog words noong or nung. Halimbawa, umalis na siya nang dumating ka. He or she already left when or at the time that you arrived. Natutulog na ako nang tumawag ka. I was already sleeping when you called. Nasa bahay na si Carlo nang nangyari ang aksidente. Carlo was already home when the accident happened. And last but not the least, nang can also be used on adverbs or when you want to describe the manner a verb or an action was done. Halimbawa, nag-aaral ng mabuti si Jessie. Jessie is studying hard. Now in this sentence, the adverb is nang mabuti or hard, which is describing how Jessie is studying. It's describing the verb or action. Isa pang halimbawa, umalis ng maaga ang mga bata. The kids left early. And same with this one, ng maaga is describing the verb umalis. Tumalon si Martin ng mataas. Martin jumped high. And last one, umaandar ng napakabilis ang motorsiklo. The motorcycle is moving very fast. So basically, you just have to add nang before the word describing the verb. If you look at the first example, the word mataas in English is high, right? But in order for it to function like an adverb in Tagalog, you have to add nang. Same with this one. Napakabilis is very fast. But we added nang for it to become an adverb. Well, that is it for today's video. If you like this, give us a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, you may subscribe to this channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.